This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Nissan Frontier. First, gather your essential tools and supplies. You'll need a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type and amount of new engine oil, typically around 6 quarts, and a fresh oil filter. Safety is paramount, so always use jack stands to secure your vehicle before getting underneath. Once your vehicle is safely elevated, place the drain pan directly beneath the oil pan. Locate the oil drain plug, usually a bolt on the bottom of the oil pan. Carefully remove it with your wrench, allowing the old oil to flow freely into the pan. Let it drain completely, which might take several minutes. Always check the drain plug gasket for wear and replace it if it looks damaged. After the old oil has drained, remove the old oil filter. It's usually located near the oil pan. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of new oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter, then give it about a quarter to 1/2 turn more with the wrench. Reinstall the drain plug, tightening it securely but not excessively. Now it's time to add the fresh engine oil. Locate your oil filler cap, usually on top of the engine, and pour in the recommended amount, typically around 6 quarts. Start the engine and let it run for a minute or two, then shut it off. Check for any leaks around the new filter and drain plug. Finally, check the oil level on the dipstick, adding more if needed, to ensure it's within the proper range.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.